Hi, I'm Anya from Anya Photo, and today I wanted to show you how I use SafeFrame. Once you choose your pricing and select your plan, remember I have a promo code in the description, you can then enter dashboard. First of all, you create album and new. I would call my album by the family name. So I have that family name selected, and then I'll create gallery. I'll put preview. And in text, I will put family name and also preview. Watermark, I don't have to really put any watermark on, but it's up to you. If you feel a little bit hesitant, you can always put it on. But since they haven't got ability to screenshot or save it, I feel like there's no need for it. So I'm going to leave none. Expiry date, so it's up to you. I will tell them that they have till end of the week and then the gallery will expire. And here is important bit because you have hidden, preview and download. Hidden, basically they will not be able to view that gallery on their phone app. Preview is images where they can have images only for viewing, and if they try to screenshot it will block it. I'll show you later in use. And then download, that's the option if they purchase the images and you just want them to download them on their phone, they will download in full size, where preview is in a smaller size, just so it speeds up the viewing process. And submit. Now we have the gallery created within our album, and we're going to, so that's selected, and we're going to add images here. I only chose few, so we don't have to wait too long. Open. Once those images loaded up, you can now copy the code from here, from top. So you would copy that to your clipboard and you would send it an email. I would suggest to have pre-written email for every client so they know exactly steps they need to do. You can also do a little information where they can find the app, what to do, where to enter code. So it's very easy for them to understand. It is pretty easy process, but we know people are scared of technology. Basically, you just need to give them that code, and I'll show you the next step from the phone. So what have I done? I opened the app, and on the main screen you're going to see enter your password to add new gallery. I just done it. I entered the code, so that boring bits are done, and then you go into your galleries. This is the one you were going to browse. You might think, oh, I can just screenshot them. So if you look at them, they're looking so easy to just grab. And let's try to take a screenshot. I'm doing my screenshot action, and it says screenshots are not available, and it gives you blank page, blank picture. That's how it works basically. What do clients do once they want their images? So for example, they only need to choose 3 of those. So add to basket. You can remove from basket if you change your mind. You can add the comment, for example, I would like a print please. And then I'll show you how it appears. And then you put another one in the basket. Once you have them on, you then go into order, place order, and then you fill up all the information here. Now you can check your emails. First email we received is that somebody was trying to screenshot the gallery. We know that it was from the Smith Preview gallery. It's good to have that properly named so you know which gallery it comes from. You also get email telling you that the order was placed, and then you're gonna go back to your SafeFrame dashboard to view it. In your dashboard, under albums, you're going to find your Smith family. Here you have your preview gallery, and also a new gallery, which is the order that people clicked and chose the photos. So if you enter that, you can see those 3 images here, and also you can see that comment appearing. You can also leave comment to your client by adding plus here and typing in. Now what can you do? Once you receive this order, you can ask for payment. Once your payment's received, you can change setting of this gallery into from hidden to download. You can also choose password protected if you would like extra security for your clients. So you just choose that, enter password, and it will create that for them. I'm just gonna not use that. Also, you can choose expiry date. You can choose tax, purchase, and submit. Now all you need to do is give your client that code and they can open this gallery. It will open as a separate gallery on the phone, and they can download the images directly to their phone, or you can deliver images in a different way if you prefer. I hope you find it useful, guys. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. Also, if you would like to use my promo code, it's down below in the description. Thank you so much.